All right, I'm gonna try to help you guys with the last question on the sinusoidal. So again, it always comes back down to that original function. So let's see if I can get it to see here. All right. So in this specific case, our original function is that y equals y equals a cos bt plus d. So if we take this information and kind of turn it into our graph, so remember a sinusoidal function is just this periodical function that just kind of keeps repeating. So the midline always goes right through the middle between the max and the min point, and it can be found by d in our function. So it's at this end point here. So we can always use that to compare, okay, if I can get this to work, there we go, to our function that we are using in our specific question. Amplitude comes from this a, and it just tells us how high we have to go to get from that midpoint to the max, or how far down we need to go to get from the midpoint to the min. So again, d is just our principal axis, and a is our amplitude. So if we want to find the max, we need to start at the midpoint and add our amplitude, and that will tell us what our max value is. To find our min, it equals our midpoint, and we need to take away that amplitude in order to find the min value. So that will help you with part A, finding the max and min, very simple. Part B then wants you to find what is the B value. So in order to find the B value, we need to first find the period. So now it tells us that it takes 0.6 seconds to get from the max to the min. Again, if we think that in a picture, to get from the max to the min, this is considered to be half of our period, because our period is what it takes to get from max to max. So if it takes 0.6 to get halfway, then you just need to double that in order to figure out what is the full period. Then you can use the formula that period equals 360 divided by b, rearrange it in order to figure out what is the b value. I hope that helps a little bit. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I should be available most of the day today. I just have to run and pick up some things, and I'm going to edit out that part.